Hey guys, this is a 2009 Toyota Camry. I'm changing the cruise control switch. It broke. This part came out here. So all you have to do is you're taking these things off. They pop off with a screwdriver. Be gentle with them. There's one on each side. There's one there where the cruise control switch is. And then there's one on the other side, same exact spot. Let me see if I can show you. Right there, you can see that little bolt, star bolt. It's a T30. You take that one off on that side and take the other one off on the other side. Make sure you disconnect the battery before you do this so you don't set the airbag off. And so you loosen those up and wait about a minute to 2 minutes after you disconnect the battery. You make sure the juices run out. Maybe turn the key on for a minute, and I am going to pause this so I can take this off. Hang on a second. So these are loose right now already, and this just pulls off like this. That's the airbag, moves off to the side. Take out these two screws with a Phillips head screwdriver, and then this comes out. Plug the new one in, and that's it. I can't do this and hold my camera at the same time, so I'm trying to show you how to do it right now without that. Yeah, okay, all right. Hopefully this helps you.